today we are going to see the proof of the formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So first what we do is a cube plus b cube, you equate this to 0. Therefore this will become a cube is equal to minus b cube, and this can be written as a cube is equal to minus b the whole cube. So you multiply and see minus b into minus b into minus b, you will get minus b cube. Now next what you do is power whole power 1 by 3, here again whole power 1 by 3. This 3 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. Therefore what you have is a is equal to minus b, implies a plus b equal to 0. That is a plus b is a factor. Okay, right. Now what we do is we will divide and see the another factor. A cube plus b cube is divided by a plus b. So first we want a cube, therefore you put a square. A square into a is a cube. A square into b plus a square b. Now subtract. So a cube minus a cube gets cancelled. This will be having minus sign, so therefore you will be having minus a square b, and already we have plus b cube, so you write as it is. Next what you do is we want minus a square b, so minus ab. So minus ab into a, so it will give you minus a square b. The next term will be minus a b square. Minus ab into b is minus a b square. Now once again you subtract. These two terms will be cancelled and this will become positive. So you will be having ab square, and already we have plus b cube. So you will be write as it is plus b cube. Now what we want is ab square. So first you put plus b square. B square into a will give you ab square. B squared into b will give you b cube. So if you subtract, the answer will be 0. It has to be 0 because we know that a plus b is a factor. Therefore we can write a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay. Now we will do the verification. A into a square will give you a cube. Then minus a square b. Now multiply the third term, you will get plus ab square. Next you multiply with this term. So plus a square b minus ab square plus b cube. So minus a square b plus a square b gets cancelled. Plus ab square and minus ab square gets cancelled, and you will be having a cube plus b cube. So this is verification of the formula. Hope you have understood this problem. Thanks for watching. Nandri.